Hey YouTube, welcome back. This morning I got some sun coming out, but the panel's over here, still shaded. That's for this battery bank back here. Was my original battery bank. The reason I'm making this video is because I was walking the dog, trying to walk by the battery shed, and I heard this noise. Y'all hear it? You'd probably be able to hear it. And I was like, holy cow, did I leave these, did I somehow leave this cooling fan on? Did I leave these little cooling fans on and the bearings start going bad or something? I don't know. I turned those off days ago. But I don't know, I came out here and immediately shut the power off for the power inverter. Because yes, I know I ran my battery bank down last night quite a bit. I hadn't done that in a while. I had quite a few like circulating fans going on plugged into the power inverter, and I didn't shut it off till like early this morning. My wife went to work. I'm off today, so I was here, but I heard it, opened it up, and sure enough, no, that's not. This fan up here, cooling the batteries down here, that's not going. It's actually coming from the charge controller itself. This is the Harbor Freight's 500 watt PWM charge controller. But here, I'm changing the tone. Look, now it's just a solid 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 amps. Every time I touch that button, you hear that sound tone change. Well, guys, gals, what do y'all think? Think the charge controller is dying? I've never heard it do that before. I've never heard any other charge controller do that before. I don't know if it's dying or if it's because the battery voltage is so low. But I've had it low before with this same charge control, and I've never heard it. It's weird. Y'all let me know. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you.